Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add different styles for your text in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So in order to show this process I created this project, and here as you can see we have like video, some records, some other videos. But what if we need to add some text? So of course we need to go to text folder in the left top menu here. And before adding style, I wanted to show you this text template folder. As you can see, there are a lot of different animated text, so sometimes it could be easier to add something from here. For example, all these titles looks really good. We can customize them. We can just simply click and for example change some text, for example this top text, this bottom text here in this menu. So basically it's pretty easy. We can also change the different styles here. But what if we need to add some styles to default text? Of course we need to go to add text area in the left menu here and add the default text. So now it looks like this. So in order to add different styles, we need to choose it on our timeline. Just click on it right up here or here in the player area. And after that, we're able to change the size, change the style, make it bold, underlined, or like this, change the color. And what is more interesting, we have a lot of different preset styles here, so we can click and choose it right up here. So now it may look a little bit different and sometimes it could be really suitable for your video. All you need is just to try. We also have some effects. If you go to effects folder, we can just click and choose the necessary effects. Some of them are not that beautiful, I think, but for example this one or this one are really suitable for my case. So basically all you need is just to try it by yourself, because there are a lot of different templates. For example, this is like neon style. So basically this is a way of how can we deal with text in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.